Right, this is my solution for controlling an RGB with 3 buttons. I've left in the dimming capabilities of the program as well. Therefore, we start off and it says, how many increments do you want for each LED? Well, we'll try 5. And we'll go, do you want arithmetic or exponential progression? Enter A or E. We'll go A this time. Right, nothing's happening. So we click the red button. Ta-da! Red goes on. Click it again, red goes off. Green button, green goes on. Green goes off. Blue goes on. Whoops, didn't click properly. Blue goes off. Now, if you click red and green, it's, well, whatever that is. Then if you click blue, that goes to white. You click red off again, that's cyan. That's just blue. Now, the blue one's a bit dodgy. Off. That's the wiring, not my program. Right, what you can also do is, this might not work, click 2 at once and they both work. Now, if I just have one on, the red, you can see what's happening. If you press the left-hand button, it ought to, and then click the red, it increases it. But because it comes on at full brightness, it doesn't do anything. So therefore, click that. That's now 60%, 40%. This isn't my program, it's my button. Right, we're now on red 20%. And if you click green, that's red 20%, green 40%. So you can reduce the green, doingy. Right. Green is now 20%. You can increase the red, turn on the blue. Blue button's very troublesome. You can reduce the blue. And then if you press all 3 of the colour buttons at once, it might turn them all off. Might not. Nope. Troublesome blue button. Then if you want to, I'll put some on. So it means that if you just click a colour button, it turns it on or off. And when it turns it on to maximum. But if you hold down one of the little buttons, it will decrease or increase the brightness of that one. And then if you press 2 buttons, the 2 little buttons together, it turns everything off. Hurrah! And you can also do this, if you run it again, you can also do it with geometric progression. But who wants to see that? Seen it all before.